Welcome to Smart Tech Learning's AZ900, Introduction to Microsoft Azure. Your journey to cloud computing starts here. Course Level Beginner? This program is designed for those new to Azure. No prerequisites required, just a willingness to learn. Role: Administrator. Ideal for aspiring Azure administrators or anyone seeking a strong foundation in cloud technology. Duration: 1 day. Gain essential Azure knowledge in just a single day of focused learning. Product: Azure. Dive into Microsoft's powerful cloud platform and enable digital transformation for your organization. Overview: the course covers foundational cloud concepts, key Azure services, and management tools through lectures, demonstrations, and hands-on labs. Audience profile: this course welcomes IT personnel new to Azure. You'll use the Azure portal and command line interface without needing scripting skills. You will learn how to describe cloud concepts, explore Azure architecture and services, and understand Azure management and governance. Course outline: Module 1, what is cloud computing? Module 2, benefits of cloud services. Module 3, cloud service types. Module 4, core architectural components of Azure. Module 5, Azure Compute and Networking Services. Module 6, Azure Storage Services. Module 7, Azure Identity, Access, and Security. Module 8, Cost Management in Azure. Module 9, Governance and Compliance Features. Module 10, Managing and Deploying Azure Resources. Module 11, Monitoring Tools in Azure. Empower your workforce with Microsoft Azure. Streamline workflows and unlock productivity with the power of intelligent automation. For more information or to book your course, visit smarttechlearning.com or contact info@smarttechlearning.com. Thank you for choosing Smart Tech Learning. Prepare, empower, and succeed with Microsoft Azure.